Hello, my lovely friends, and welcome back to my cozy space. Every little fabric scrap holds its own story. In a world of constant consumption, we're often taught to see leftovers as waste. But in cozy finance, every piece is a resource saved. Mindful sewing isn't just about saving money, it's about finding value in what we already own and creating simple luxury with our own hands. Let's start by making our paper petal template. A precise pattern in sewing is just like a solid financial plan. It gives you structure, clarity, and confidence in the result. If you enjoy creating home comfort, spending mindfully, and finding peace in simple crafts, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to stay inspired. All the links to the materials, tools, and measurements used in this video are listed in the description below. I've pre-cut these rectangular fabric pieces. You can see all the exact dimensions right on your screen. Combining different textures and shades allows us to craft a unique item that you'd never find in a store. Now press the fusible interfacing onto the fabric using a warm iron to give our petals stability. Then lay the rectangles face to face in pairs. Just like in life and budgeting, a strong foundation ensures everything lasts much longer. Trace the petal shape using an erasable fabric marker. This keeps our work neat and clean without leaving permanent marks. Sew along the marked outline, leaving a small opening for turning the petal right side out. Trim the edges along the curve, leaving a seam allowance of about 0.5 centimeters, which is 1/4 of an inch. Carefully turn all 6 petals right side out. Use a needle to gently press out the seams and iron them flat. Look at that beautiful petal shape. Using a heat erasable pen, draw the leaf vein lines on each petal. These subtle details add depth and charm. Stitch along these drawn lines. Slow crafting like this is a wonderful way to ground yourself, reduce daily stress, and focus on slow, intentional living. Arrange all 6 petals on the table, putting them together into a flower shape. It's so satisfying to watch individual scraps turn into a harmonious design. Now, join the petals together on your sewing machine. Take your time and enjoy the rhythmic process. And our fabric flower mat is complete. You can use it as a hot pad or a cozy placemat under a flower vase. As autumn approaches, this is such a charming way to bring warmth and seasonal beauty into your home without overspending. Look how elegant it looks under a clear glass teapot. Handmade touches like this make a house feel like a true home. If you'd love to explore more easy sewing projects and creative ideas, be sure to check out the link to my full collection of sewing ideas in the description below. Thank you so much for spending this peaceful time with me. I wish you warmth, peace, financial confidence, and cozy crafting hours. Until next time, take care and happy sewing.